Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, your English teacher and friend.
And I'm Zoe, your English learning partner.
How are you today, Zoe?
I'm great, Riz. Excited for another fun English lesson.
That's good to hear. And you, listening right now, how are you today? I hope you're smiling and ready to learn.
Because today's topic is really fun and super useful.
Yes, very useful. Today we'll talk about something every English learner faces.
Oh, tell me, what is it?
Common English mistakes non-native speakers make.
Ah, yes, I make so many mistakes.
And that's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. Everyone makes them. Even native speakers sometimes say things wrong.
Really?
Of course. The important thing is to learn from mistakes and not be afraid to speak.
That's true. So today we'll learn how to avoid common mistakes?
Exactly. We'll talk about grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary mistakes that many learners make, and we'll fix them together.
That sounds great.
All right, let's start with something fun. Zoe, can you tell me one English mistake you made before?
Oh, yes. I used to say, I am agree.
Yes, that's a very common one. Many learners say that.
But it's wrong, right?
Yes. The correct way is I agree. No am.
So I agree means I have the same opinion.
Correct. Let's practice it. Repeat after me. I agree.
I agree.
Good. And if you want to say the opposite, you say I disagree.
I disagree.
Perfect.
So we don't say I am agree or I am disagree.
Exactly. You only say I agree or I disagree.
Got it.
Good. Okay, next common mistake. Many learners say he do or she do.
Oh, yes. I used to say that too.
Right. The correct way is he does or she does.
So we add es.
Yes. For he, she, and it, you always add s or es to the verb. For example, he plays football. She likes tea. It rains a lot.
Not he play or she like.
Exactly. Let's repeat. He plays.
He plays.
She likes.
She likes.
It rains.
It rains.
Great job. And for I, you, we, or they, you don't add s.
So I play, you like, they rain.
Not they rain, but they play or they work.
Oh, yes. Got it.
Perfect. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Many learners mix up much and many.
Oh, that one is confusing.
I know, but it's actually easy once you understand it. Much is used for uncountable things. Many is used for countable things.
Can you give examples?
Sure, I don't have much money. Money is uncountable. You can't count one money, two money.
Right?
But you say, I have many friends. Friends are countable. You can count them.
Okay, I see. Much for uncountable, many for countable.
Exactly. Let's practice. I'll say a word, and you tell me if it's much or many.
Okay.
Water.
Much water.
Good. Books.
Many books.
Sugar.
Much sugar.
Nice. People.
Many people.
Perfect.
That's fun.
Yes, it's a good way to remember.
So if I say, I have much friends, that's wrong, right?
Yes, wrong. You should say, I have many friends.
Got it.
Great. Now, another common mistake is confusing in, on, and at.
Oh, yes. Prepositions. They are so hard.
Don't worry. We'll make it simple.
Okay.
Think about time and place.
Okay.
For time, we say at for exact time, on for days, and in for months or years.
Can you give examples?
Sure, at 7 o'clock, on Monday, in January, in 2025.
Oh, that's clear.
For place, we say at for a point, on for a surface, and in for an enclosed space.
Can you explain with examples?
Yes, at the bus stop, on the table, in the room.
Okay, so at the bus stop, on the table, in the room.
Exactly. Repeat after me. At the bus stop,
At the bus stop,
on the table,
on the table,
in the room.
in the room.
Great job.
Sometimes I say, I am on the home. That's wrong, right?
Yes, that's wrong. You should say, I am at home.
Right.
Okay, next one. Many learners confuse fun and funny.
Oh, I did that too. I said, the movie was very fun. Wait, is that wrong?
No, that's fine. Fun means something enjoyable. Funny means something that makes you laugh.
So the movie was funny means it made me laugh.
Yes, and the movie was fun means it was enjoyable.
Oh, I understand now.
Good. Let's try. The trip was...
Fun,
The clown was...
funny.
Perfect.
That's easy now.
Excellent. Okay, let's talk about another mistake. Many learners say, I didn't went.
Oh, yes. I said that before.
Yes, it's very common. After did, we always use the base form of the verb. So it's I didn't go, not I didn't went.
Because did already shows the past tense, right?
Exactly. So I went or I didn't go.
He ate or he didn't eat.
Perfect. You got it. Let's repeat. I didn't go.
I didn't go.
She didn't eat.
She didn't eat.
They didn't sleep.
They didn't sleep.
Excellent.
It's much easier when you explain like that.
Thank you. And remember, speaking slowly helps you think before making mistakes.
That's a good tip.
Okay, next one. I am here since morning. Many learners say that, but it's wrong.
Oh, I said that too. What's the correct way?
The correct way is, I have been here since morning.
So we use have been.
Yes, because the action started in the past and continues now.
I have been here since morning.
Correct. Let's try more. I have been busy since Monday.
I have been busy since Monday.
I have been tired since last night.
I have been tired since last night.
Very good.
I feel more confident saying it this way.
Nice. That's what we want.
Okay, what's another mistake?
Many people confuse borrow and lend.
Oh, yes. I always forget which is which.
Simple rule. You borrow something from someone. You lend something to someone.
Can you show with examples?
Sure. I borrowed a book from my friend. My friend lent me a book.
So borrow is when I take, and lend is when I give.
Exactly. Let's repeat. I borrowed a pen from you.
I borrowed a pen from you.
You lent me a pen.
You lent me a pen.
Excellent.
That's finally clear now.
Good. Okay, let's talk about pronunciation mistakes.
Uh-oh, I make many of those.
That's okay. For example, many learners pronounce vegetable as vegetable.
Yes, I said that, but it's pronounced veg-to-bull.
Vegetable.
Correct.
Another one is comfortable. Many people say comfortable,
Oh, I do that too.
but it's comfortable.
Comfortable.
Right. Let's do one more. Wednesday.
I say Wednesday.
But it's Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes, that's it.
English words are tricky.
They are, but with practice, you'll get used to them.
I will keep practicing.
Good. Okay, let's talk about another mistake. Many learners say, I am interesting, when they mean, I am interested.
Oh, yes. What's the difference?
Interesting describes something that makes you feel interested. Interested describes your feeling.
Example, please.
Sure. The movie is interesting. I am interested in the movie.
So, the book is boring. I am bored?
Exactly. Perfect example. Let's repeat. I am interested in music.
I am interested in music.
The music is interesting.
The music is interesting.
I am bored.
I am bored.
The class is boring.
The class is boring.
Nice. You're learning fast.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's do a small quiz. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'll say a sentence, and you tell me if it's right or wrong.
Okay.
I didn't went to school.
Wrong. It should be, I didn't go to school.
Correct. I have much friends.
Wrong. I have many friends.
Perfect. I am agree with you.
Wrong. I agree with you.
Excellent. She go to work every day.
Wrong. She goes to work every day.
Great job. Last one. I am bored movie.
Wrong. The movie is boring.
Excellent. 5 out of 5.
Yay!
And you, listening right now, how many did you get right? Don't worry if you made some mistakes. That's how you learn.
Yes, don't be afraid of mistakes. Be proud that you're learning.
Exactly. Every time you speak, you improve. Even small steps count.
I really like today's lesson, Riz. It helped me understand my common mistakes.
I'm glad to hear that. And remember, listeners, it's okay to make mistakes. The only mistake is not trying.
That's true. Practice a little every day.
Yes, you can listen to this episode again and repeat the sentences with us. Repetition helps you remember.
I'll do that for sure.
Good. And before we end, let's quickly review the key phrases from today.
Okay.
I agree, not I am agree.
He does, not he do.
Many friends, not much friends.
I didn't go, not I didn't went.
I have been here since morning.
I borrowed a pen from you. You lent me a pen.
I am interested, not I am interesting.
At home, on the table, in the room.
Perfect! You remembered everything.
Thanks, Riz.
And to everyone listening, thank you for spending your time with us today.
Yes, thank you.
If you enjoyed this episode and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel.
Your support helps us make more lessons for you.
Exactly. Keep practicing, speak English every day. And remember, mistakes are just part of the journey.
You're not learning English. You're living it.
That's a great line, Zoe.
Thank you.
All right, everyone, stay positive, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.